So what are we doing today?
A little tune-up to the car, hopefully push on more power. If there's room, we'll push on more power, but aiming for 670 wheel maybe. I'm pushing about 660 wheel right now, so hopefully some more horsepower push out. It looks stock, but it ain't.
So after some trouble getting it on there.
No troubles. This is what happens when you drive a domestic car. Exhaust always hits something. But anyways, if anyone wants to buy this car, please buy it off me so I can get a new car. So I can get one of these. Or an M4. That's what I want, an M4. It's stock, I'll push it, don't worry. It's just fucking header dump and a big ass intake.
I want to touch over this build.
Back in our son's shop, everyone comes up by OG here in fucking Santa Clara.
We'll show them the details.
Right here, OG Performance and Tuning. Fool, this fool does everything. Euros to American Muscle to almost 800 to the crank. But this ain't no red eye, it's just a regular fucking cat.
Regular gato. The regular gato.
Yo, I need to get some loads.
No. This thing's clean. Got a nice patina look to it. Big meaty tires. Pretty nice. I like the seats too.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, this is pretty sick.
Sit in it if you want.
I like the wheels so much. Those are so nice.
What?
The wheels are so nice.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, it has custom the kickers on the side. Yo, this is crazy. This is really nice.
They can make good power out of these coyote engines. Such a
Yeah, that thing's nice.
Like,
Comfortable seats too.
This is so comfy. Exhaust tip, homie.
And then you said it has also C4 Corvette suspension, right?
yeah. So if you look underneath it, it's all aluminum, which is amazing. Even the differential's aluminum. All the
Oh yeah, look at that's crazy. Dang, this is sick. And the exhaust on the center, is it custom or?
That is, it came out of the 2019 Mustang GT that the engine
okay.
came out of, and I cut it all up and made
And
it
then
fit.
that's nice.
I had to make
So it
some
has a
cuts.
genuine sound to it then.
It sounds just like. It sounds just like the Mustang GT.
Nice.
I didn't want anything too loud.
Oh, it's perfect, yeah.
So, thanks.
Just as long as you know that it sounds like a V8, right?
Yeah.
Hey, he's calling you.
Yeah.
Lafayette Street.
Alright guys, back from the tuner man.
I'm starving.
We need to put this sucker mean right now.
Lean green machine.
Ow.
Definitely tell the difference in low end. When you're driving, you can definitely tell the difference.
I'm driving this bitch everything off. Wheels too.
But when you smash it, he's all like. When he smashes it, he smashes it like that.